Hi everyone, welcome back to M&M Tours channel. Today we're taking you on a journey to one of Isfahan's hidden gems, Moshirolmolk Historical House. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the exciting content we have lined up for you. This 400-year-old mansion, spread over 3 floors with a built-up area of more than 2,000 square meters, has decorations on all its doors and walls that are still perfectly intact and have not even been restored. Here, you can touch the mirrorwork and paintings that date back 4 centuries. Moshir-al-molk House is the only historical building in Iran that contains the largest and oldest traditional Persian sash window with 9 sections. This valuable work, with its decorative paintings, masterful plasterwork, and mirrorwork, is considered a manifestation of Iranian art. Visitors can tour the king's section of this house, however, the courtyard can only be viewed from the rooftop. liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in our next video.